In this video, I am going to show you how to install Windows 11 with Flash USB. Open one browser, any browser you want. Type here, download Windows 11. Then open this first link. It is Microsoft. Download Windows 11. Right click here, then open a new tab. Here we have site of Windows 11. Before installation, check this link. Is Windows 11 compatible with your system or no? If Windows 11 is compatible with your system, then follow this step. Here we have create Windows 11 installation media. With this step, we can install Windows 11 with USB. Then click here, download now. When you click on download, you will get this software. I already download this one. When you download this software, then we need one flash drive more than 8 gig. Look, this flash drive is 14 gig. It is enough for Windows 11. After that, double click on this software. Here, this software asks you, do you want to allow this software? Click on yes. It is okay. Getting a few things ready. These steps take a few seconds. Scroll down, read all of them, then click here, accept. Everything is okay. Put by default, then click on next. Choose the first one, USB flash drive, then click on next. Look here, it is drive D. I want to show here also. It is the drive D. Look, both of them are the same. Then click next. This step takes a lot of time. It is dependent on your network speed. If you have a good network speed, you will pass this step soon. If you don't have, this step take a lot of time. It is 99% for me. After that, click on finish. Now, if you open your PC, look, the flash drive will get this chip. Now it is ready to install Windows. Restart your system. Click here, then restart your system or power off your system. When you restart, press F9 for HP, F10 or F12 for Dell. When you press F9 for HP and F10 or F12 for Dell, then this page will appear for you. But this page is different on any system. You should choose USB, then hit enter. Now everything is okay. Put by default, then click on next. Here click on install now. If you have product key, write your product key here. If you don't have, click here. I don't have product key. From this page, choose your Windows. Which type of Windows do you want to install? I want to install Windows 11 Pro. Then click next. Check this one, then click on next. From here, choose custom install. Select custom install, then select your drive. Here I have one drive. It is 18 gig. Maybe you have 2 drive or 3 drive. Before installation, look on your drive C. Then format your drive C. It is my drive C. Then click on format. After that, choose your drive. Then select on next. This process will take a few minutes. Now the first step is finished. The second step start. The second step also will finish soon. Here we are on the fourth step. Now the fourth step is started. This step also will finish soon. After that, our system will restart automatically, or we can click here restart now. Any of them you want, you can choose. Getting ready is take a few minutes. After a few minutes, this step will finish. Here also, we need just a moment. In this step, choose your country. It is okay for me, United States. You can choose your country, then click on yes. In this step, choose your keyboard. Which keyboard is good for you? US is good for me. Then click on yes. If you want to add something, you can add. If you don't want to add, click on skip. Check for updates. It takes a few moments. Now you can choose one name for your system. I want to write here admin. I like this name. Then click on next. After that, enter your password. It is my password. Then click on next. Here confirm your password. I want to confirm my password. Then click on next. Here we have three questions. Answer these three questions. Choose one by one, then answer these questions. What was your first pet's name? It was admin. Next, choose other questions, then write the answer. You should write the answer of these questions correctly, because when you forget your password, the system will ask these three questions. If you answer these three questions correctly, then you can get your system back. Now it's not important for me. I write admin, three of them, then click on next. Then click on next. Again next. Again next. Again. Again next. Then click on accept. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. After a few moments, we have Windows 11 on our system. Just wait. This step take a few moments. Almost there. Look, we have successfully installed Windows 11 on our system. Before closing the video, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. Have a good day. See you soon.